The overall goal of the following experiment is to observe the effect of desired treatments on repair of injured cells, and to study the subcellular processes that help in repairing injured cells. This is achieved by injuring cells in the presence of fluorescent dyes that cannot cross intact cell membranes to assess the kinetics and ability of injured cells to prevent entry of these dyes. As a second step, we monitor the appearance of intracellular proteins at the injured cell membrane, which identifies the ability of a cellular compartment of interest to participate in repair by fusing to the injured cell membrane. Next, we monitor fusion of cellular compartments of interest with the injured cell membrane in order to monitor the kinetics of injury-triggered fusion of this compartment. Results are obtained that show repair of cell membrane injury is associated with lysosomal exocytosis based on increased appearance of lysosome-associated membrane protein 1 at the injured cell surface, and live imaging of secretion of lysosomal content by injured cells.
These methods can help address important questions in cell injury and repair. For example, these can be used to determine which proteins and cellular compartments respond to focal injuries at the cell membrane, and then evaluate their kinetics of the response.
Demonstrating the procedure would be Aurelia Defour and Sreetama Chandra, two of the postdoctoral fellows from my laboratory.
To separately mark the injured cells that heal and those that fail to heal,